Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Crypto Boss. You're a boss. I'm a boss. We're all bosses. Remember, guys, that is the mission for this channel, to make all your crypto bosses so you can leave that 9 to 5 slavery behind you, guys. Crypto has changed my life. I'm here to show you guys how it can change yours. Okay, that being said, let's get straight into the video. As you can see right now, things aren't looking good. But there's always positive news in the crypto markets, and we'll come to that later on in the video. First, guys, so we can just have a look. We're down, guys, we're down hard. 8 coins down 45%. This is literally in a week. 8 coin 45% down. BNB 30% down. It's not looking good for the markets, guys. Bitcoin's down to like 25,500 US dollars, all because of these Celsius issues. So we're gonna come to that in the video. But Celsius has halted withdrawals, guys, all because of the panic in the crypto. They literally had a bank run. Everybody wants to get out of stable coins and DeFi, and they want to probably go to fiat. So it's caused a big bank run on Celsius. Also, I'll come to it in a bit, but because Ethereum has depegged with ST, staked Ethereum, it's caused a big panic. And because what happened to Terra Luna, people are worried. There's been some big FUD, and people are worried that the same thing's gonna happen to Celsius. And if you don't know, Celsius is like a lending, staking, borrowing platform, and it's crashing today. They're down 50%. And as I said, they halted all transactions. You can't get your crypto back off them. It's not a great situation, guys. But let's look into it a bit deeper. Let's look into the news of this issue a bit deeper. So, staked Ethereum depegs. After Ethereum successfully developed the merge on its Robston testnet, the community has had many exciting news and activities. However, for staked ETH holders, it seems that they do not have enough confidence in the future potential of this coin. So this is where it kind of it all started, let's be real, with Terra Luna and the collapse. Then Ethereum depegged with staked Ethereum. That caused a lot of panic in the ecosystem, guys. Then obviously now, what happened with Celsius, this is what's caused this big, epic crash. So look, let's take a look at the difference now. So this on the screen is staked ETH compared to USD. 1,159. Check a look at this, guys. 1,159 for staked ETH. Normal ETH is 1,200. That is 222. That is a big difference compared to it's the same crypto. It's just staked ETH. So basically, when you were about to when people are going to stake their ETH with Ethereum, because now we're going towards staking, proof of work, not proof of stake. Sorry, not proof of work. It goes into staked ETH. Now everybody now are doing a bank run on stake ETH just because it's depegged. So pretty deep. Moving forward. Okay, so Bitcoin, we're down to 23,639. Guys, believe it or not, I reckon we're looking to get down. Look at the next okay, let's look at the next support for Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. It's 18. 18,000 for any kind of support. 18. And then for the mains, I don't even want to go down here, guys. For the main support, 11,000, 10,000. I know it looks worrying, but this is the best time to be in the market. As I said, to build in the market, to build in cryptocurrency, or to give value as educate people, or to dollar cost average. It's a great time to be in the market, guys. I left crypto a few times. Every bear market, I ran away. Not gonna lie, I scooped. This time, it's not happening. I'm not going nowhere. This is where the money's made, guys. The money's made in the bear market. So do what I do. I look at these times and I smile and I think opportunity. And I've got Bitcoins, I've got cryptocurrencies that are down 90%, 80%, 60%. And I feel happy because there's more opportunities. There's more, I can talk to you guys about more great opportunities in the market, not talking about projects when they're all the way up here. And then also more opportunity for me to invest. So always a positive, guys. Okay, moving on shortly. This is where I think we are in the cycle. So this here is the Wall Street cheat sheet. And as you guessed it, guys, when we was up to like 60, 70,000, then we dropped down, we went back up to about 60, and then we've slowly gone down, 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 down. As you guessed it, I think we're past anger. So we've been in anger. I reckon we're at this depression stage, guys. So this depression stage here, I reckon this is what we're gonna be over the next couple to few months. And now if you look at the chart, so for Bitcoin, look at it. It's literally mimicking this. Look at it. And now here we're coming into the anger stage. And I reckon down here is depression. So you heard it here first. This is where I'm thinking. I'm talking all the way down to the 11s to the 12. Everyone's gonna think I'm crazy. But remember I said it. This is depression. Here. And this is where I believe we'll start the new cycle. Get down here to depression, start a new cycle. So you're so close, guys. Guys, you are so close. So hang in there. If you even bought Bitcoin at 60,000, if you even bought Bitcoin at last week, wherever you bought Bitcoin at, you're near the end of the cycle. You're coming towards the end of the bear market. Yes, the depression stays. There's no time scale on the cheat sheet. Yes, we could be this depression stage for a few months, but we're at the end of the cycle. The seasons and the cycles to everything, guys. And you have made it to the end. Be proud of yourself. And this is where I'm going to start doing more content for you guys, because this is where the opportunity will come. Okay, so it's moving on. So yeah, let's go back to a bit about Celsius. So, as this tweet from this guy here, Celsius is a massive holder of state ETH. Like I said, it's liquid state ETH used on Lido. It's like a staking platform where people can buy and stake their Ethereum and get interest on the Ethereum. Okay, so this is where it collapsed. And look at the DPEG. Okay, let's move on. Celsius, now go back to the tweet. Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swapped and transfers between accounts, acting in the interest of our community is our top priority. Okay, guys, so yes, this is a negative, and yes, this is not good. They've even said on their website that your money crypto can always be redeemed. And now they're saying, no, it can't. Okay, have they got the best interest of the community? Probably, because they seen what happened to Terra Luna. So take that in consideration. But that doesn't mean as soon as they start withdrawals that you shouldn't take your crypto. Take that crypto, take it off there. But I do believe they're being transparent, and I do believe they're trying to not cause another Luna situation. But then, that being said, there's on-chain data to say that they withdrew 320 million and moved it to FTX just before they made this announcement, or just after. And Sam Bankman, the guy that owns FTX, he withdrew 50,000 worth of Ethereum out of Celsius ecosystem before the collapse. A little bit fishy. So it seems like to me, the big boys was getting out of the collapse, was getting out before it collapsed. And the retail investors, you and I, are the ones that are holding the bags. So bear that one in mind. So a bit of catch-22 situation, good and the bad. I was looking at the good and I was looking at the bad. But I don't like, it seems like they're doing some snaky moves. So be very, very careful. Yeah, there was the Watcher Guru calling it when they moved the funds. All right, guys. Just want to end it on stay strong. As I said, this is a great time to be in the market. I am absolutely excited. I'm just thinking about more ways to make money so I can buy into crypto. Guys, there's going to be more blood on the streets. This is not, it's not over. It's going to go on for a while. Let's think of the macroeconomic situations that's going on now with inflation. This is deeper than just crypto, and it's like a spiral effect. So there's going to be more blood. So be prepared for it, be ready for it, and if you got this far, you made it. You made it towards the end. All right, then, guys, if you like this video, check this video out. It's what you need to watch. Until the next one, guys, peace out.